Welcome to your IsiXhosa Lessons with Kolping Mbumba.
What's up, everybody? Kolping Mbumba here. Welcome back to your IsiXhosa Lessons. Today's word is iGwinya. iGwinya, widely known by its colonial derogatory name Vetkoek. Now, iGwinya lokwenyani is a shapeless township delicate caviar dish which is made out of hand xoven dough and cooking oil. Now, it is meant to be round and circular upon presentation, but not iGwinya lasekasi. iGwinya elikhulele lagcwadwa futhi lenziwe elokishini will most likely take the shape of the clouds, not round and circular. AmaGwinya come in an array of different characters and personalities, right? You get iGwinya eli plain, the boring one who never goes anywhere. You get iGwinya elineburger, the one who goes to multiracial schools, you know that one. And then you get iGwinya eline French, the one who went to Imizamo Yethu High School, strictly for indlala on a budget, for nothing else. And then you get iGwinya eline chips, the one who matriculated. You also get iGwinya eline Mince, the one who lives in Nyanga East. And you also get a full house. Now, a full house is the one who goes to CPUT, but was accepted university. And then my personal favorite, the iGwinya that I love, the bravest one of them all, baba. iGwinya elines'bindi, elingoyiki, fokkol. IGwinya is the bravest of them all, baba. Because liyihlaba inye indlala. It has the liver of a chicken and is not scared at all of being devoured. Now, depending on where you grew up, iGwinya is also used as a substitute for when you refer to the old beetle car and ugly shoes. Pronounced iGwinya. iGwinya. One more time. iGwinya. There you go. IsiXhosa lesson for today. Peace out.